Welcome to Oils with Lynn. Today we're diving into a very popular, refreshing oil. It's eucalyptus essential oil. Did you know eucalyptus is steam distilled from the leaves of the eucalyptus plant and is primarily sourced in Australia? Historically, it was used during World War I to control infections and influenza. Eucalyptus has an enlivening, fresh, and clearing aroma. And it's one of those oils that's both versatile as well as really powerful. It's an essential oil that I love to have in my home. Let me share with you some of my top ways that we like to use it. First up, congestion and respiratory support. It's fantastic for clearing congestion, coughs, bronchitis, and even asthma. Simply apply to the chest, to the bridge of the nose, forehead, or the bottoms of the feet. You can also diffuse it or inhale from cupped hands. Lice. If you've ever dealt with these pesky lice situations, the eucalyptus can really help. Apply it to the scalp, affected areas, or again, on the bottoms of the feet. Circulation and energy. For hypoglycemia, high blood pressure, or poor circulation, apply eucalyptus to the bottoms of your feet. Earaches and sore throats, dilute it and gently apply around and below the ear or along the neck. Kidney and bladder support. For kidney stones or bladder issues, massage over the kidney area or the lower abdomen. I've also known that some people use eucalyptus as a natural deodorant. They swear by it. Eucalyptus is also amazing in the home as a cleaner. Add 10 to 15 drops to a glass spray bottle of water for a natural cleaning disinfectant and even for dust mites. It's simple, it's safe, and it works great. In my home, we've used eucalyptus in the diffuser at night with a citrus oil to help clear congestion and calm colds and coughs for my kids. It makes such a difference. We love eucalyptus. Okay, personally, my absolute favorite way to use eucalyptus is in the shower. I love to put a few drops right on the shower floor, or I've loved to make these shower melts. When the steam rises, it creates this refreshing spa-like experience that wakes me up and clears my mind. So here's a quick DIY for eucalyptus shower melts. It's simple. It's 1.5 cups baking soda, a 1/2 cup water, and 30 drops eucalyptus essential oil. Mix all of that together in a mixing bowl, and then you're gonna press that mixture into molds and then let it dry overnight. You can pop one of these shower melts on the floor in the shower and you've got the perfect invigorating start to your day. So that's eucalyptus essential oil. It's a multi-purpose powerhouse for health, home, and daily wellness. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and share it. You can grab a helpful guide. It's my helpful guide of 100 uses for essential oils. Just look in the link in the description. And thanks for joining today for Oils with Lynn. I love helping families like yours live a healthier, more natural lifestyle every day. Thanks for coming. See you guys next time.